Hey guys, what's up? It's Evan here with my cousin Katie, and today we got some Yu-Gi-Oh cards that we're going to open. That our cousin, our very generous cousin, bought for us. Now we're gonna see. I'm gonna crack open this card thing. Oh, there we go. And so we got a couple things. We got. Oh my gosh, is this a poster? I think I got a poster from Yu-Gi-Oh. Look at this card. She's already cracked her thing open a little bit. Yeah. Oh no, this is a playing. This is a playing thing. Oh, this is cool. So this is what I can play on. I can play on this. Put down the cards. Spell check cards. Oh, now we're gonna the good stuff. Open
I got a pack.
How you doing, guys? We gotta have to keep looking, Katie. We went everywhere looking for it. Like two, I can't find it.
You want to start? You're fine. So, sorry, I am struggling to open this a little bit.
Do you need help? No, there's something in the back that opens it.
Yes. I got it. Alright, and here are the Yu-Gi-Oh cards. So my first card is Ether. Ether the Heavenly Monarch. Looks like a butterfly.
These girls are sick.
Looks like a Erebus, the Underworld Monarch. Sorry.
No.
Then I have Ados, the Underworld.
Ooh, I got the Jet Royal.
Next I got Ida, the Heavenly Swirl. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I just do it. So next I got a spell card. It is a Pantheism of Monarchs. Next I got... I can't pronounce like any of these stuff. Can't pronounce any of these stuff.
Abby, you want to take a ride down and see if we can
So next I got
find it
K.
in the little store down there?
I'm going to do my best to pronounce these. Chaos, the Shadow Monarch.
I'll take Monster.
Zabon, the Thunder Monarch.
Abby, we're going to go take
Raymar, the Rock Monarch.
Make sure you get your special deck of pulp from this.
I'll also come out after. Mobius, the Frost Monarch.
I got Call the Haunted.
Call the Haunted can bring someone back from the graveyard. Yes, you got Mobius, the Frost Monarch.
We're going to go Ryan and Abby.
Okay.
Yes, Delos, the Firestorm Monarch. All of these cards are like from 1996.
So what?
This is
Razu,
really old.
Reza, the Storm Monarch. And Mobius, the Shadow Vessel.
This is my special deck.
Oh, you got some pretty good special cards.
Jet Royal. Stardust
Mithra,
Royal.
the Thunder Vessel.
Is that
Whatever I
I was
pronounce
thinking
them.
I might
Landroid, the Rock Vessel.
kids tonight. I thought I'd have a little party with them. We order pizza.
S.
So if you guys go down there, well, figure out
Esther,
what you guys
the
do
Frost Vessel.
Unless someone you can
Vessel. Whatever, I don't know how to pronounce this. You guys can correct me in the comment section if you guys do this.
Well, we can do that too.
Berlineth, the Firestorm Vessel.
It doesn't start till 8.
Oh my god.
I will figure it out. We'll be right back.
You're back.
Kiram, the Storm Vessel.
Alright.
Illusionary Snatcher.
I can't decide if I should just start drinking or I should.
Tragedia.
Very good.
Dandelion. These have pretty good effects sometimes.
Bloody Mary.
You should see the Marshmallow Man.
Meth. Wait, you have a is there a Marshmallow Man in here?
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
What?
Hey.
Mathemachian. Whatever. I can't pronounce this guy's name. You guys can comment on it.
The Crowbot Hedgehog.
The Level Eater.
Ooh, I have that one.
Battle Fader. Rainbow Carabo. I don't know. And now I got into the spell cards. We have Domain, the True Monarchs, whatever. March of the Monarchs. Return of the Monarchs. The Monarchs Storm Forth. Drake of the Monarchs.
Two of these. Look.
Oh, that's cool.
And they have pretty good
I could trade these. Tennessee of the Monarchs. Soul Exchange, I love this one. This is a
those
great
ones are
spell
really
card.
good.
Enemy Controller, which is pretty good.
Oh, those look really good.
Typhoon. Soul Charge, I've never seen this one before.
Oh, cool.
Trap card, the Prime Monarch.
You know what? I got a really good spell code. Scatfist.
The first Monarch. Escalation of the Monarchus. The Monarchus awaken. The Monarchus erupt. By order of the Emperor, which is a trap card, a pinpoint card, and token. Just token. Okay. So I have no idea what token is. I will look that up. But that will pretty much be it for the video, I think. And I'm going to sort out my special deck stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna organize.
I feel like this should be a special deck thing. What? So this.
Oh yeah.
So I'm going to see you guys later. Have a good day and goodbye. Doo-doo.